Welcome back. Welcome to the channel. Today is the day. I'm going to pick up my project car. This is going to be amazing, but this is really cold. Today is a really cold day. I hope it's going to get warmer by the time I get there. We'll see about that. So, plan for now, pick up my friend, go to U-Haul, get a trailer, and get the car. Let's do it. My friend's house. You can see that he is also Ukrainian.
2 hours later.
And here he is. Ah, look at him. He is ready. Hey dude, I like your hat.
Yeah, cool, right?
What's up, you ready?
Of course I am. Let's rock and roll.
Hey, let's go.
Right. Before we go on, I gotta drop off this ladder.
Alright.
Just a little thing that matters.
That hat is just hilarious.
Six and a half hours later.
We arrived.
Yes.
This is very, very beautiful. Show them, Rama.
Car or you or the tree.
Yeah, don't show me. Like,
See,
I'm very lucky. Look
see
at
what,
this.
what happened after the storm.
That was, yeah, the storm yesterday. Feet away from the car.
Yeah, this guy's lucky.
I'm very lucky.
Okay, so here we go. Here we go.
Does not start. It's empty. This is clean. That's good. It's very good. There's a lot of oil in these things. Oh, it looks okay. This is this lipstick. Okay, here's the trick how to check if the engine is okay. Take a little bit of oil on your finger. It can be black, that's okay. Then just tear it down. And if you see the finger, well, my finger is still dirty, but if there is no black things, like it looks here like this is fine. This thing is broken. That's not cool. There is no liquid inside. It smells horrible, of course. It's in the hydraulic fluid. Let's see, let's try. So the goal for today is to start this car, but just a little bit to make sure that it actually starts. Let's go. So let's try to clean a little bit of oil off the engine, and maybe I'll replace the part on wires. I don't know what happened. It really soaked in oil. which is, in one side it's okay, it's going to protect the car from corrosion. But it might have a problem with it starting, so that could be it. What else did you check? Or nothing.
Gotta check the battery, right?
Yes, but the battery's in the back. Before I get to the battery, I want to check that this is all
Okay.
Previously, our friend have checked that the battery is dead.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's what we have. This is the way it's supposed to be. This is one of them came out. One half of it is inside of cylinder 2. Not sure what the number is. But it's a good thing I got the new set. So we'll replace that for now, and then we'll see what will happen. Let's go. So here's one of the spark plugs. If you can see, the gap is just huge, and it's all wet. That can be another issue why the engine does not start. There's some reason. Alright, let's go and take the rest of out. Dry. It also has some oil. So my guess is that someone was doing the work on the timing belt. Take it off and did not seal the way it's supposed to go. Because as I see, the oil leaks from between the engine block and the cover. So we might be able to start the engine today, but I'm not sure if, well, we will not be able to drive it before we replace this seal inside. Okay, so this is how the new spark plug is supposed to look. This is what we have. This is what we have. It's a huge difference. I'm not even sure what the material is made of. But what we have is double Amino. It's like the long-lasting ones. But they're not that expensive. So let's put them in. The last one goes over here, and then those two go that way. Now we need to try and start the engine. This is like the moment I was wondering if my theory is correct or not. I'm gonna get the, let's see, I have a key and I think the battery is charged. Maybe not, I don't know. Let's see if the battery is charged. Let's go inside.
Okay.
So by the way, this is the huge trunk of this Mazda. This is the spare tire. Oh, there is water. Oh, that's not. Oh, what is this? Okay. There is water. I'll need to take this out later. This is the jumper that I got. And oh, fuck. Let's try to start the car. Let's go on the truck. Let's see.
А ну ти можеш включити аварійку? Ага. Працює.
Looks like emoji. What do you think?
No clue. For now.
Let's pack and put in the trailer and move it to.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What's up, guys? Sorry that I have not filmed more. Things went pretty fast. I just got home. In conclusion, the car was delivered to my family's house in New Jersey fine, in one piece. That's a good thing. We were not successful in starting the car, and that is a big question why. But I think it could be a starter, but I'm not sure. When I turned the key, the car, like, there was no crank. I think it means that the starter is not working. Maybe it was staying for too long, maybe it's rusted. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Maybe you had experience with this before and you know how it's fixed. So I can attempt to start the car next time. So far there was no luck. I hope you enjoyed, and there is definitely a lot of things coming. The car needs a lot of love. So next episode, I'll be next week. I'll go to the car and I will try to replace the grill and maybe change the oil. And I'm not sure. There is a lot of work. The work is on the engine bay. The work is on the body, and the interior also needs a lot of work. But I believe that this car could be a really good one. Let me know what you think. Right now I'm so tired. I was not even in the mood to continue filming when we got the car, because I got some carpet off. I want to clean it at home, and so I can have it clean and nice for next time, so I can put it back. And that's partially it. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw and you want to see more of this, put a like, comment what you think about the car, what you think about the project, and what you think about the things that I discovered when I got the car. And subscribe. I definitely need that. With the new YouTube rules, I need definitely more subscribers, and I would gladly appreciate if you can subscribe. So I'm so tired. I hope you had a good time and enjoyed the video. Good night and have fun, as always. Goodbye.